Alrighty folks, on to number 2. Again, I have 2 given, so I am going to have to make 2 different formulas. So let's get started. So here's my question. If I have 1.3 grams of copper 2 chloride and it reacts with this number of grams of sodium nitrate, how many moles of copper 2 nitrate will I make? Cool. So what's it? I have to choose which one of these to start with. It does not matter which one you start with. I usually just do the first one because it's first. So I'm going to circle that, which is also this one. And right now I'm not going to deal with this reactant. And my product that I'm going to be doing is this one. And I'm going to cross everything else off so it doesn't confuse me. Alright, cool. Then from here we can go to our mole map. I have CuCl2. So, and I am starting with grams, so I'll be starting down with mass, and I will be ending, what does it want? Moles. Nice, another slightly shorter problem. Over. So step 1 is this, step 2 is this, and that's all I need to do. So let's go. Guns. Givens. Put a 1 underneath it, get the rest of my numbers, and solve it. Given 1.3 grams of CuCl2. I'm going to stick that over a 1. My mole map tells me to put right here. So I'm not doing this one. I don't want that error to confuse. 1 mole over number of grams. So 1 mole of CuCl2 over a certain number of grams of CuCl2. Great. Well, I gotta calculate this thing now. This is how you can cheat. I already done this, right? I already got this gram in a previous problem, so I'm just gonna go up and cheat. Did I do it? Yeah, way up here. 135.45. I don't want to do more work than I have to. 35.45. Great. So then I've done this step, and now I'm on to this step. Put the thing, nicely cancels. Put the mole of thing I already have on the bottom. Mole thing I'm looking for on the top. What am I looking for? Copper 2 nitrate. I don't have that memorized, so I gotta look at my formula. CuNO3 2. And let's see what numbers I put. Because there's nothing here, I can just assume 1. And CuCl2, 1 to 1. Sweet. This is getting easier by the second. 1.3 times 1 is 1.3 divided by 135.45. That is going to equal a really small number. 1.3 divided by 135.0096. I'm going to round it a little bit. 0.0096 moles of, what am I left with? CuNO3 2. So now, that video didn't take very long, so I'm going to do this whole thing in one step. So now I've got maybe an answer, and now I'm going to go on to the next one. I have to do my other reactant. So first I did, I'm going to copy and paste this. First I did my balance equation to do this. Great. Sweet, there's my balance equation. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose my other reactant. This is the one I did the first time. Now I'm going to do this one right here. I'm going to get rid of the stuff that I don't need for this one so I don't get confused. And then I'm going to just get going. Here we go. So 0.00106 grams of sodium nitrate, which is NaNO3 over 1 times, alright, I've got to calculate my NaNO3. I'm pretty sure I did that also in a previous problem. Did I please? Yes, 84.99. Good. So 84.99 grams Na. That's assuming that I did it correctly. So this is where you could really mess yourself up if you try and use previous answers. Cool. Look at that. Done. What is... Wow, this is going to be a tiny, tiny, tiny number. Oh, I'm not done. I'm silly. Now I'm here. My mole ratio. Put the mole of what I started with. 1 mole. I'm also just NaNO3 and the mole of the thing I'm looking for on the top, which is, what am I looking for? Copper 2 nitrate. So mole CuNO3. Now I made a mistake right here. I can see it. It's not 1. It is 2. There's a 2 in front of it. And CuNO3 doesn't have anything in front of it, so I'm good to go. So now it's going to be this times 1 times 1. So I'm going to have this tiny little number over 84.99 times 2. Wow, this number is going to be... That's wrong. I just know that's wrong. I forgot to hit a decimal. It's going to be 84.99 times 2. That's better. Calculator. 169.98. Alright, this is going to be an extremely small number. Let's see if it's smaller than the last number. 0.00106 divided by 169.98. It is, wow. So what that -6 means here is, so I could either do this one way, 6.23 times 10 to the -6, or I've never really been great at scientific notation and understanding it. What that also can mean is I can take this and move it 6 places this way. So that's how I've always liked to do it. So I've got 623 and move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, there's so little. So those all in zeros. All right, well, yeah, that's an astronomically tiny number. So this is definitely going to be my limiting reaction right here. 0.006 moles CuNO3. So the most that I can make is this. This is going to be my final answer. This is my limiting reactant. Ooh, this is my excess reactant right here because it made way more. So what was that? CuNO3 too. Or what did I start with here? CuCl2.